Let me tell you about the particle-wave duality, but not the way you've learned it. Light and all quantum entities exhibit particle-wave duality. The double-slit experiment. Fire photons one at a time through two slits at a screen. If you don't observe which slit the photon goes through, you get an interference pattern. The photon behaved as a wave, going through both slits simultaneously. If you do observe which slit, the interference pattern disappears. The photon behaved as a particle, going through one slit. Same setup, only difference, observation. When observed, a particle. Localized, a definite position. When not observed, a wave, spread out, multiple positions simultaneously. It's not that light is sometimes a particle, sometimes a wave. It is both, always. Which aspect manifests depends on how you measure it. Ask a particle question, get a particle answer. Ask a wave question, get a wave answer. The thing itself is neither and both, beyond categories. Classical thinking, a thing is either a or not a particle or wave, must be one or the other. Quantum reality, particle and wave, both simultaneously, always. Which aspect you see depends on how you look. This is complementarity. Particle and wave are complementary aspects of one reality that transcends both description. Why this matters? Well, first, the question determines the answer. What you measure determines what manifests. Second, binary categories fail at fundamental levels. Either or thinking works for everyday reality, breaks down at the quantum level. Third, paradox is real, not apparent, actually contradictory by classical standards. And that's okay. The universe doesn't care about human logic. Physics discovered what mysticism always taught. Reality transcends duality. You can't visualize this. Your brain evolved for classical reality. Quantum reality is fundamentally non-intuitive. Some truths can't be pictured, only understood mathematically in experience. Particle-wave duality teaches. The question you ask determines the answer you get. You ask, am I a good or bad person? Binary question, you get a binary answer, missing wholeness. You ask, how am I both growing and struggling? Both and question, you see integration. Most suffering comes from forcing reality into either or categories. This relationship is good or bad. This decision is right or wrong. I'm successful or I'm failing. Quantum mechanics reveals fundamental reality is both and. You are a particle, localized individual, separate, and a wave, connected, relational, part of the whole. Both are true, both are real, simultaneously. Stop forcing yourself into either or boxes. Success and struggle, strong and vulnerable, certain and learning. Hold the paradox. It's not confusing, it's accuracy. The universe is a particle and a wave. You are an individual and connected. Your life is determined and free. All of it, all at once. Stop asking which one. Hold both. That is wisdom. That is reality.